This green side right triangle ABC. Side AC is 12 units, segment BD is 13 units, AE equals BE, and DE is perpendicular to AB. Can you find the green area? The cleanest route is subtraction. The green region equals the area of triangle ABC minus the area of triangle BED. So we only need two areas. The diagram looks crowded, but most of those lines are just applying for attention. Connect A to D, triangles AE equal to BE, they share segment ED, and both included angles at E are 90 degrees. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by side angle side. Their corresponding hypotenuses are equal, so AD equals BD. Since BD is 13 units, AD is also 13 units. Now triangle ACD is a right triangle with hypotenuse 13 and one leg 12. That is the 5, 12, 13 right triangle, so CD is 5 units. The full side BC, so its length is 5 plus 13, which is 18 units. Triangle ABC has perpendicular legs 12 and 18. Its area is 1/2 times 12 times 18, which is 108 square units. Now for the small triangle. Let AE and let DE have length h. Then the full hypotenuse AB has length 2h. Triangles ABC and BDD are similar. They each have a right angle, and they share the same angle at B because BE lies on BA and BD lies on BC. Corresponding sides now give the ratio of 12 to 2x equal to the ratio of h to 13. Cross-multiplying gives x times h equal to 78. That product is exactly what the smaller triangle needs for its area. Triangle BED has base x, x times h. Using x times h equal to 78, the area is 39 square units. The green quadrilateral is the large area minus the small one. 108 minus 39 equals 69. So the area of quadrilateral EACD is 69 square units. The useful trick was never finding x or h separately. Similarity gave their product directly, and the area only needed that product. Did you see that shortcut coming? Share your method and subscribe for another visual math challenge.